This is a review of PLACUY Wireless Doorbell Camera with chime. It is from head to toe, anti-theft siren, 2K Ultra HD. It is 2K Ultra HD, two-way audio talk, 100% wireless, IP65 weatherproof, anti-theft alarm, cloud storage or local storage, advanced AI human detection, and family sharing. What we have in the box: video doorbell, chime with batteries, 2 stickers, user manual, screw hole position card, screw tools, Type-C charging cable, and warning sticker. Let's open it. 24-hour surveillance sticker. Here is the start guide. USB-C charging cable and screw pack. Here is the chime. Batteries, and here is the doorbell. Speaker. Let's remove this. Let's remove this also. This is our application, Cloud Edge. And we're gonna go ahead and add the device. Smart doorbell.
Please follow the instruction manual to power on the device.
Okay, I put the 2.4G Wi-Fi password and the username, and then just follow the directions. And right now it is ready. Let's continue. And we can see right now. You see the Wi-Fi signal is strong. We will go ahead and look at the settings. Here is the button for ringing the bell, and this is the sensor, and here is the camera. Let me go ahead and put the batteries inside. We have 3 AAA batteries. They already provided. And let me close this. And now you can just press the button. This is for changing the music. This is for pairing. Let's go ahead and press this button. This is one of the music. Let me continue changing it. There's another. It has some rings. Whichever you like, you can just use it. You can change the volume here. This is the top volume. Let's go ahead and ring the bell and see what's gonna happen. Now it says you have a visitor. Let me go ahead and answer it. Hello. Here's the two-way audio talk. You can mute it, or you can turn off the speaker. You can record your voice. Whoever is coming, it's just when you press it, then voicemail is gonna start playing. All right, let's go ahead and look at the settings. Alarm management. If there is motion detection, you can just turn it on. And there are so many settings over here. Humanoid, day humanoid, night humanoid. This is the sensitivity level, detection level. And temper alarm. If someone is trying to steal your doorbell, basically, let's go ahead and open this area. Here is the temper button. See, make sure you're putting it together, and then it's not gonna bother you. It is working with Alexa and Google Home. Recording management. If you don't want to pay for the cloud service, you can use SD card, basically. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put this outside and see how it's gonna work. There is temper alarm, siren. There's siren. And you can check the album. Here is the history. And you can check the calendar album. I installed it over there. You can check it out. And here is how you can see. It is too sunny outside. then it can recognize me and do the PIR detection. Let me go ahead and ring the bell. You see, and this is what you're gonna see. It is taking a picture, and basically you can answer it or hang up or voicemail. Let's go ahead and answer it. Hello?
Hello?
You see? Hello? Alright. I'm gonna show it to you how you're gonna see at night, and then that's it. Let's go ahead and check it out, how it's seen at night. And this is how it's gonna see. Let me go ahead and move around. You see? Right now, it is using night vision. And either you can take a screenshot, record, and now it is, right now it is using color. Let's change it to daytime vision, and right now you can see, let me go ahead and move around, and you can see me, but I'm gonna use night vision for this. Right now it is SD, and let me change it to HD. Look at that, how beautiful it is. Right now it is midnight. Time is 2:06, and this is how you see. It is completely dark right now. This is what camera sees.